The Honda Life is a true gem from the golden era of Japanese K cars, blending retro charm with a compact, practical design. This small yet stylish vehicle first hit the market in the early 1970s, designed to cater to Japan's K car regulations, making it an efficient and economical choice for city driving. Today, it stands as a classic, admired by car enthusiasts for its unique aesthetics and vintage appeal. At first glance, the Honda Life captivates with its rounded headlights, small yet bold grille, and smooth, compact body lines. The pastel green paint, combined with black fender flares and a black roof, enhances its retro vibe, making it a true head-turner. Unlike modern cars filled with aggressive styling, the Honda Life embraces simplicity, showcasing an era where form followed function with elegance. Moving to the interior, the cabin is minimalistic yet functional. The dashboard features a straightforward analog instrument cluster, with all essential controls placed conveniently for the driver. The black steering wheel, adorned with the Honda emblem, adds a classic touch, while the seats, upholstered in black fabric or leather, provide a comfortable driving experience. The gear shift, positioned on the floor, maintains the old-school feel, giving drivers a connection to the car that modern automatics often lack. One of the most impressive aspects of the Honda Life is its practicality. Despite its compact dimensions, it offers surprising interior space, making it a great city car. The lightweight construction and small engine ensure excellent fuel efficiency, which was a key selling point during its production years. The rear features a small yet practical trunk, with round taillights that match the front's retro charm. The black bumper adds contrast, maintaining the balanced look of the car. Under the hood, the Honda Life originally came with a small displacement engine, typical of K cars, ensuring low running costs and easy maneuverability in crowded urban areas. While it wasn't designed for high speeds, its lightweight structure allowed for a nimble and fun driving experience. Many enthusiasts today have restored these cars, keeping them alive as symbols of a simpler yet iconic automotive era. In today's world, where cars are becoming more tech-heavy and uniform in design, the Honda Life stands out as a reminder of a time when cars had personality. Whether you're a fan of classic JDM cars or simply appreciate unique automotive history, the Honda Life is a vehicle that deserves recognition. With its timeless design, practical nature, and undeniable charm, this K car continues to capture the hearts of collectors and enthusiasts worldwide. If you enjoyed this look at the Honda Life, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more classic car content. Let us know in the comments what you think about this vintage beauty and which car you'd like us to feature next. Stay tuned for more automotive nostalgia.